Hi there. As I'm filming this, we're right off the end of March 2020. And I'm taking a look back at the last 3 months. And it's been a bit of a roller coaster. Started off pretty high with me receiving the MVP award for the first time in the business app field. And then, on a personal side, in early February, I became a grandfather for the second time. Pretty nice. But that happened while I was stuck under a major snowstorm that occurred during a yearly event at our company. But the baby's fine. Right now, we're going through a worldwide pandemic, isolating everyone, impacting many people in their career. It's not easy. But it allows me to really refer back to what I participated in. I participated in Mark Smith's 90 Days Mentoring Challenge. That allowed me to have a refuge elsewhere than just with my family. It allowed me to have another place where I could go out and talk with people and exchange with different ideas and how to make our careers go better. Get some tricks, get some knowledge about the Power Platform, the Microsoft ecosystem, and test out ideas without feeling that I'd ever really be judged, where I could get constructive feedback. It was a safe zone, and we need that. So, on the sales pitch now. I'm Éric Sauvé. Some of you know me as a Power Diver. I'm a solutions architect and a Power Platform practice lead based out of Montreal, Canada. And I really recommend you take part of 90 Days Mentoring Challenge from Mark Smith.